Today I want to show you how any formula works in Excel and also how you can get help from Excel itself to guide you on the formula. So for example, let's start with a very simple formula, some which I'm sure everyone is familiar with. So when you just type the formula, it gives you the description of the formula, like what it does. So in this case, it tells you that it adds all the numbers in a range of cells. And the moment you put the bracket, it also gives you the arguments which you are supposed to enter it. So so let's say you want some more help on this particular formula. So what you can do is you simply click on the formula again. So it will open a help bar here. So it clearly shows how the formula works. So in sum, what it is saying is the sum function adds value. You can add individual value, cell references, or ranges, or a mix of all three. And then it also goes ahead and gives you examples with the syntax, the the explanation on the syntax. It also gives the best practices for the formula, and then also gives the some examples on how to actually use it, and then gives you the frequently asked questions. So now, for example, let's look at a bit more complicated formula. uh, let's say VLOOKUP. It's one of the most common formula. So once again, it gives you the description of the formula. The moment you enter the bracket, it also shows you what arguments you are supposed to fill in. And when you click on the formula, I think it will take some time to load. So here it is. It also gives a very detailed explanation on the formula. And also it gives an alternative of the formula, which is XLOOKUP, which by the way is a great formula to use. It gives tips how to get started with the formula. It shows some examples of the usage, practical usage, which are very good examples by the way. And again, it gives some common problems, best practices, and related functions and helps. So if you are stuck at any time in Excel, Excel itself provides you with good help instead of you going to outside sources. I hope you've learned something new with this video. And if you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks.